Hello everyone, it's time to create our first wireframe. The easy way to create and practice wireframes are mimic interface of app or website. So we can get a screenshot of apps or website and design wireframes for that interface. So I already got 4 app interfaces. So I will just drag them and drop them on the Figma, and those are Gmail app interface and YouTube Studio app interface and Instagram app interface. Then here is the LinkedIn app interface. So let's start with this Gmail app interface. So I will just drag it here and I will open it like this. So you can find this interface design on the resources section of the class. So now I will create the frame. Just click on here. Now I will select the Android large size and here is it. Then I will decrease the size of this Gmail interface. Just click on the corner and press shift. Then you can reduce the size without affecting the design. Okay, and now I will rename this frame to Gmail app wireframe. Okay, now we have to add layout grid to this frame because it will be easy to guide the layout and add our component. To do that, I will click on the frame and click on layout grid. Just click this plus sign, then click here and make it to column, and I will make columns count as 4 and the gutter will be 10, and also I will add margin to this frame as 10. Okay, now we can guide those lines and build the design. So I will increase the design like this and let's start to design the wireframe. So as the first step, I click on the triangle icon and create a triangle like this because we are going to create this search bar with this hamburger menu. Then we already have the color as this ash color and I will keep it. Then this is a low fidelity wireframe, so we don't need to change the corners or add graphic to this wireframe. We only need to create the basic structure of the Gmail app. So this is the text field and I will click here and click on ellipse. Then I press shift and make a ellipse like this. So I will make it like 30 by 30. Just press shift and change the size by clicking the left mouse button and change the size. So then I will change the color to like this color and bring it here like this. So this is the user icon. So I will make it like a user. To do that, I click on ellipse and create another ellipse like this. This is the head of the user. So I will increase by pressing command and using the mouse wheel. So this is the head of the user avatar, and also I will let's create a polygon shape and create a rectangle like this. Then I will reduce the corners. So I will go here and I will reduce the corners to like 3. Okay, and let's make it bit bigger like this. Okay, here is the user icon or avatar icon. Let's make it center. Select the two shapes by pressing shift and go to the horizontal align center and click it. It already centered like this. Okay, this is the user icon. Then we have the hamburger menu. So I will go here and click the line, then click the shift and make the hamburger menu like this. So if I didn't select the shift, the line will not horizontal. So I have to select the shift and OK. Then I will increase the stroke. Select the line and add stroke as 2. OK, increase the size of the design. Then press Alt and click on the line and drag it like this. So let's make it like this and select all of those lines by clicking shift and click on the left mouse button and click the more option and click on distribute vertical spacing. OK, now it's vertically centered, and now we have the hamburger menu and we have the avatar icon. So now we have to add this text. So we can add this text by just adding a rectangle like this and add colors. So let's add the same color. Just click this icon and click here, and this will be that text. Or I can just type search in mail. So I will add search in mail here. So it will be more detailed. So click on this text icon and click here. Then add search in mail. OK. Now I will drag it and drop it here. Click the text and click the text field. Then make it align vertical center. And if I want, I can change the font and the font sizes, but this is okay for me. And now I will add this second text. So I click here and click on Alt. Then I click on the mouse left button and duplicate it. Then I will put it here and I click on Alt and hover over this text field, and I will make the space as 15. Then I will make this to primary, and let's make font to bold. Let's make it semi bold. And now we can add this email item. To do that, I will click on ellipse and create an ellipse like this, and then I will create a rectangle. So this will be the title of the email. So I will make it like this. Just click here and click on the avatar icon, then make it like this. Then I will change the color to this color. Then I will change the height as 10. Also I will duplicate this triangle and set height to 4. Then make it bit bigger like this, and let's change it to like 2. And then we can add another line. So let's highlight both of these and make it 10. And now I will select all of this text and bring it down like this. Then I have to add the time. To do that, I will just copy this one and paste it like this. Then make it like this, and this rectangle is out of the frame. So I will click the rectangle and bring it back to the frame, and then make it like this and make it center. Then we have this star. So let's add the ellipse to show the star like this. Let's add the size as 15 by 15. Then change the color to this color. OK. Now I will highlight or select all of those shapes and press Command G, and it will become a group. Then I will press Alt and duplicate it by dragging like this. So I will make the space as 20, and let's make the space to 20, and I highlight 3 of those components and make it like this. I think we can add more space. Let's add like 30. Then I will highlight those three and duplicate them like this. Okay, now I will remove this one. Then we have a footer, so let's make a footer. Click on rectangle and create a rectangle like this. So I will add the height as 40. Let's make it like 50. Okay, and now we have those two icons, so let's just add placeholder like this. So this one will be here and change the color to dark blue and just duplicate it. Okay, here we have the low fidelity Gmail app wireframe. Now in the next video we will create bit complex one, so we will create it for YouTube Studio.